Benefits of lemon water. There are many benefits of lemon water. The most common ones are listed here. Sore throat. Drinking warm lemon water provides relief from a sore throat and pharyngitis. Prevents kidney stones. One of the major health benefits of lemon water includes its ability to treat and prevent kidney stones. Normally, kidney stones pass out of the body without much discomfort, but sometimes they can block the urine flow and cause intense pain. Drinking lemon water helps in rehydrating the body and keeps the urine diluted. This in turn reduces any risk of kidney stone formation. However, in case of severe pain and discomfort from a possible kidney stone, you should speak with your doctor or a medical professional. Calorie intake. Lemon water is a good substitute for juices or drinks that are high in sugar, especially for those who are diabetic or those planning to lose weight. Lemon water is a good drink to rehydrate and energize your body without adding dangerous levels of sugar. Drinking plenty of water is advised for quenching thirst and overall good health, but people may not drink it because they do not like the taste of plain water. In such cases, one may drink lemon water, which is much more flavorful and enjoyable, and get the benefits of both lemon and water. Liver health. Drinking lemon water helps in activating digestive enzymes present in our liver. It also helps in regulating the oxygenation of blood. Digestion. Lemon juice present in lemon water promotes the production of hydrochloric acid and bile secretion, which are vital for digestion. It also reduces the risk of acidity and gout. People who commonly suffer from digestive issues like abdominal cramps, bloating, burning sensations, and excessive gas should use it regularly. It also prevents diarrhea and similar issues. Women can use lemon juice extracted from 3 to 4 lemons in order to get rid of menstrual pain. To reap the most health benefits of lemon juice, you should consume it in warm water. Constipation. Lemon water is useful for curing constipation, so drink warm lemon water every morning to get relief from constipation. Immune system. Lemon water is a good source of citrus bioflavonoid, vitamin C, and phytonutrients, which help in improving the immune system strength. It also helps increase energy levels in the body due to the presence of essential vitamins and minerals. Weight loss. Drinking lukewarm water with honey every morning can help people lose extra weight easily. Rheumatism. Drinking lemon water before meals and at bedtime also provides a relief from rheumatism. Scurvy. Consumption of lemon water helps in curing scurvy or a general deficiency of vitamin C. Canker sores. Rinsing your mouth with lukewarm water can help provide relief from painful canker sores and mouth ulcers. Relieves a swollen gum pain. Drinking lemon water relieves pain associated with swollen gums. Add a pinch of salt to it for best results and make sure the lemon juice is well diluted. Anti-carcinogenic properties. Drinking lemon water is also beneficial in preventing cancer. Research studies suggest that lemon, with its anti-tumor properties, helps in reducing cancer risk. Lowers stress and blood pressure. Another great benefit of lemon water is its ability to lower blood pressure while providing relief from stress, depression, and anxiety. Drinking it also will convey a sense of relaxation. Balance is pH. By drinking 1 glass of lemon water, you will be able to alkalize the whole body and balance the pH level of your body. There are many diseases and conditions linked to acidic body state. For optimal health, it is very important for the body to maintain alkaline state that is achieved by eating alkaline food. Lemon water brings back the balance and to the alkaline side of things. Detoxifies the body. Lemon water helps in cleansing your entire body by reducing the toxins in the blood. Nutrients in lemons promote the removal of waste materials like toxins, since it acts as a natural diuretic which stimulates an increase in urination. skincare. Intake of lemon water every day helps rejuvenate the skin. Lemons are loaded with antioxidants, and well-known anti-aging properties of lemons and other antioxidant-rich food have become increasingly popular in the recent years.